Upgrading is not a one-time thing. Transformation doesn't happen in a day. Changing anything in life takes repetition. It takes showing up over and over again. I didn't find it easy on the first time I did this, or the second time, and this is now the third time, and it's still probably not going to be easy. Why do I do it? Because we need to keep pushing ourselves, guys. We are the ones who are in charge of our destiny. Whether it's a gigantic leap, a small step, or a shuffle, it doesn't matter. As long as you're moving in the direction that you know you want to be moving in, then you've won. And if you keep doing that day after day after day, then you'll continue to win. I'm filming. Well, as I said several years ago when I first jumped from this very cliff, if I can do it, you can do it. And it may not be a cliff jump today that you do, but what is that one thing in your life that you're holding back from? What is that one thing that you know your heart is just desperate to get you into, but you're hovering around the periphery of it? If I can do it, then I know 110% that you can too.